So here is an example of finding compass error using variation deviation. So example number 1. So if the variation is 3 degrees east and the deviation is 2 degrees east, calculate the compass error. So since it has same name, so we should add it. So compass error equals variation plus deviation. So 3 degrees east plus 2 degrees east equals 5 degrees east, which we can only copy the name since it has the same. So compass error will be 5 degrees east. So the second example is we have different names. So if the variation is 4 degrees west and the deviation is 2 degrees east, calculate the compass error. So compass error equals variation minus deviation. So because 4 degrees west minus 2 degrees east equals 2 degrees west. Since variation is bigger than deviation, so we will copy the name. So the compass error will be 2 degrees west. So example, compass error is 3 degrees west and variation is 2 degrees west. So always reverse the sign. So west will be east. So 3 degrees minus 2 degrees equals 1 degrees west. So that will be our deviation. So always take note that same name will be add and different name will be subtracted. So here is the example. So if the compass bearing is 0 to 8 degrees compass and the true bearing is 0 to 5 degrees true, find the compass error. So the given are true bearing is 0 to 5 degrees true, compass bearing is 0 to 8 degrees compass. So the formula that we are going to use is compass error equals true bearing minus compass bearing. So 0 to 5 degrees true minus 0 to 8 degrees compass equals the compass error, which is 003 degrees west. So we should take note that if C is less than true, the error is east, and if C is greater than true, it is west. Here is an example on how to find true course when you have a compass course, deviation, and variation. So example, we sail a compass course of 333 degrees with a corresponding deviation of plus 3 degrees. See table, and from the nautical chart, we find that at our location, the variation is plus 3 degrees. So we have a given of compass course, deviation, and variation. So all you have to do is to follow the format CDMVT. So always remember that if it is east, we should add it, and if it is west, we should subtract it. So 330 degrees plus 3 degrees east, it is the magnetic course will be 333 degrees. Then we have to add it to the variation, which is 3 degrees east, so we can have the true course of 336 degrees true. The next is finding compass course while using true course, variation, and deviation. So always remember that in this format, we should subtract east and add west. So the format we will use is true virgin makes dull companion, which is TVMDC. So we have the true course, the variation, and deviation, and we should automatically put it on its correct format. So true course 130 degrees, then plus variation of 10 degrees west, which is west. So the magnetic course will be 140 degrees, then subtracted by 6 degrees east of deviation. So the compass course will be the 134 degrees. So example. So step 1 is you need the present year and the year of the original value of variation. So example, if we have 2020 for our present year, so we need to subtract it to the year of the original value of variation, which is 2005. And that will be equals to 15 years. And that will be the number of years between 2020 and 2005. And 15 years times 6 degrees is, which is the secular or annual change. Then 15 times 6 minutes is 90 minutes east. And 90 minutes east is the total correction in minutes. Then we need to divide it into 1 degree or 60 minutes, and that would be 1 degree 30 minutes east. And that will be the total correction in degrees and minutes. And the total correction in degrees and minutes will be added by the variation in the year 2005, which is, so the amount will be 5 degrees 00 minutes east, and that will be the variation in year 2020. And that will be the steps on how to correct or update the variation of the compass rules.